Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Bookmark, and we'll be continuing part 2 from Makkah. So as I mentioned in my previous vlog that I was going from Makkah to Medina. So this is in our train, as I mentioned in the previous vlog कि हमारी ट्रेन बुलेट ट्रेन जा रही है मदीना. एंड अगर आपको बहुत डिटेल्स मक्का की चाहिए तो आप प्रीवियस व्लॉग देख सकते हैं. So this vlog is about going to Medina. We had a few days stay over there, like a couple of days, जहाँ पे हमने ज़ियारत भी की, जहाँ पे हमने ग्रैंड मॉस्क भी देखा और फिर उसके बाद हम जेटा गए. So this vlog covers all of it. We finally reached the station. Look at the station, it's so pretty, and that was the train that we took. I've mentioned cost in the previous vlog, and now we are heading to our hotel in Medina. So the hotel that we booked was Zaha Al Munawra, which was about 10 minutes away from Haram, and it was a decent hotel, not too grand or something, but a decent hotel, but still expensive क्योंकि जो भी हरम के पास hotels है they are expensive and they're a bit costly as well. तो ये भी थोड़ी सी थी पर इतनी नहीं थी कि you can't, like, it's decent. One thing I realized near Haram कि वहाँ बहुत सारे shopping areas and they were beautiful shopping areas and very cheap. Like if you want to buy things, Makkah Medina is the cheapest place to buy compared to Jeddah. Now we are heading to Haram. This is one mosque that we saw on our way to Grand Mosque, and we've reached Grand Mosque right now. There's one thing about Grand Mosque is Grand Mosque has numerous gates, like 332, 221. There's itne sare gates hai that you have to remember which gate you came from because it's huge. So we entered from 332 gate and we are heading towards Ravada. So right on our right hand side there were two museums, and on the left hand side there were few mosques. So this is the mosque that we thought that we'll go first before we go anywhere else, and we went to recite some nafal in this mosque, and it's such a beautiful mosque. वहाँ पे आपको कैरी बैग भी दिया जाता है कि आप स्लीपर्स में रख सको, and there are stands also to put, so you don't have to worry about carrying your slippers. They have made really good arrangements for people who cannot sit. Like वो chairs भी दे रहे थे, तो आप chairs वहाँ से ले सकते हैं, use कर सकते हैं और chairs वापस रख सकते हैं. So then we came out of the mosque and we thought we'll do ziyarat before anything else. So we were waiting for a ziyarat on the main stage, and we booked a Uber to go there as well. The cab cost us 1000 INR rupees to go and do our ziyarat in Medina. Now we're heading to this mosque called Mosque Quba. It's one of the beautiful mosques from inside. Also, it's very pretty. It's as old as Kaaba, because जब काबा बनाया गया था मदीना के लोगों ने नबी को कहा था कि आप हमारे लिए भी कुछ बनाओ, और ये काबा उसी लिए बनाया गया था. और कहते हैं यहाँ आके प्रे करो तो आपको उतना ही सवाब मिलता है जितना एक उम्रे में करने को मिलता है. But otherwise also this whole mosque is very pretty. You should definitely put that on your list and definitely visit it. So while we were there, we also thought we should visit date farm. So we came to this date farm जहाँ पे बहुत सारे dates के बाग थे, and it is they also sell those dates. They had so many types and varieties of date. The most famous date that they have in Medina is Ajmal के dates. So कहते हैं कि सारे dates that goes to Makkah goes from Medina because they actually are farms over there. So definitely recommend you to go a date farm in Medina. So after this day, we went back to our hotel and came next day for our permit visit for Ravada. To visit Noble Ravada, you have to enter from gate 37. And to get in here, you need to have permit. You cannot just come like that. You have to apply through Nusuk app. So Nusuk app किसी भी फ़ोन पे अवेलेबल है, आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और वहाँ पे अपॉइंटमेंट ले सकते हैं, and then that's your permit that you need to show when you enter. इट इज़ नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट, बट वो बहुत लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए ओपन होता है. लाइक अगर 9 o'clock का आपको लेना है तो वो 9 o'clock को खुलेगा 1 मिनट के लिए जब आपको ये अप्लाई करना होगा. सो बी वेरी लाइक डू इट लाइक इन एडवांस. वो एक हफ्ते पहले ही डेट खुलती है, एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर योर परमिट. बट दैट वाज सच अ ग्रेट विजिट दैट आई हैड, एंड व्हेन वी लेफ्ट फ्रॉम देयर वी डिसाइडेड वील विजिट द म्यूजियम. सो दिस इज़ द म्यूजियम विच इज़ इन हरम itself, and entry ticket to it was 40 riyal. And the museum is so modernly made, and it was explaining the whole how Grand Mosque was made. वो पहले कैसा था और उसके बाद एडवांस होते होते किस तरह इतना बड़ा बना. Initially when it was made was very like छोटा सा एक जगह थी जहाँ पे उन्होंने सबसे पहली बार खोला था, ये पहला मॉस्क खोला था, और बना भी मिट्टियों से था. और फिर धीरे धीरे विथ टाइम शेक्स आते गए और उन्होंने बड़ा बड़ा बनाते गए और उसको और ग्रैंड कर दिया. दिस लाइक द मेन ग्रैंड मॉडल दैट दे हैव, एंड they've explained it so well. They give you like an audio thing to make you understand how it becomes, and this is the night view of the grand mosque, and it looks extremely beautiful. And that's how they show. So it's a very good informative museum if you ever think of visiting. It's not that expensive, and it is in Haram itself. They also had few remains from that time कि उस टाइम पे लोग क्या यूज़ करते थे, किस तरह यूज़ करते थे, like a small jug and everything. तो आप जाके visit कर सकते हो while you're there. It's good knowledge to have about those days and those times. So entry cost for this particular mosque was 40 riyal, and there was another museum which was right next to it, which was based on Prophet Muhammad's life, and that also has a lot of things that mentions and tells you about his life. So you can either go there or here. The cost is almost the same. Its choice is yours if you want to go in, but very informative. So definitely, if you wanna come in and explore and learn a little bit more about Grand Mosque, is a great place to come and start with. And this, after this museum, it was a final goodbye to Medina because we had a train in the afternoon to go to Jeddah, and we made a final goodbyes and headed to our train station in Jeddah. We had an afternoon train. Also, when you book your train, you can actually book timings and what time you want to catch the train, and we headed to Jeddah. It was the same train that we took as a round trip, which I mentioned in Mecca vlog, and you can stop at Jeddah, and the train waits for like 2 minutes in Jeddah, so that's where we stopped by. And this city is a lot more expensive compared to Makkah and Medina, and the hotel we chose to stay in was Movenpick City Star Hotel. The hotel was very beautiful, gave us a very fort like look, जैसे किसी शाही दरबार का look कैसे होता है exactly वैसा था. It felt like it was converted from a very Arabi person's house to a hotel. It's a very beautiful hotel, and the breakfast was the most amazing breakfast ever. So while we were in Jeddah, we thought we'll explore Jeddah a little bit more. There's a lot to do in Jeddah if you only come to Jeddah and to explore. There's Red Sea, there's a lot of shopping there, there's a lot of old town that you can visit, there's desert, there's a lot to do. So we started with shopping because we were told the shopping in Jeddah is really good, reasonable. So we went to Mall of Arbi, which was very close to the hotel, like 5 minutes ride, and we took a Uber there. It only took us 5 minutes to reach to the main gate. This is the Mall of Arbi. It's a huge mall. It's just not a very small one. It's a huge mall and almost has every single brand that you want to go and buy. My main reason of coming to this particular mall was not the common brands that you get easily, but to get the oud specific brands that is for oud that you come to buy. So one thing I knew from locals over here, that the oud brand which was very famous here is Arabian oud, and there was Al Majud oud. So I went there to buy a few things. I had great experience. There were other brands as well which are very known, like this one Abdul Samal Qureshi was also one of the known brands. So there were a lot of oud places shop that you could go and buy from. While we were there, we thought, why not have something from Tim Horton? We were really hungry, and then we had a flight that evening, so we left from Jeddah, and that's where the trip ends. I hope this particular vlog was very informative and you got a lot to learn from it. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe the vlog, and please watch it till the end.